Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add an announcement bar in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password here. Click on this website button below the website you want to add your announcement bar on. Go to Pages and scroll down to Website Tools. Click on Announcement Bar. From this list, enable the announcement bar feature and fill in your text here. This is an example of a text I have for my website. You can also add your link here to make the announcement bar clickable. I will go with just google.com. You can edit your link to be opened in a new window or not. I will keep it by default. After that, don't forget to click on this save button to not lose your editing. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Now let's give my website a visit. And this is how to add an announcement bar in Squarespace. Let's click it. It will redirect us to google.com. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.